Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Without a delay or waste of time, we're going to look at how to trade K coins today. We usually look for coins that are actually highly flexible, that goes busy ups and down. That's the coin we trade, because in this type of coins you will find irrational profit. So before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, be sure to subscribe, like my videos, share my videos, so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, so we're going to start trading this particular coin with just $20. So if you don't know where to find the coin, if you just come to this place, open your dashboard, make sure you have a verified bybit account. Come to this place to search for K coin. Search for K coin. You see here. If you see it here, it will bring you to its chart. Then take a look at the previous chart. Look at what is actually good for you. Then you can dive into it. Alright, so now we are right here, and we want to dive into this particular trade. So if you really know how to trade, then this is not a big deal to you. All you just need to do is to navigate yourself to the buy section. So navigate yourself to the buy sessions, and if you want to sell, you navigate yourself to the sell sessions. Okay, so we're on 15 minutes trade. As you can see, this trade has already recorded plus 21 here, and also this coin is having ST, which is highly volatile. Okay, which is highly volatile. So you can look at this carefully and see what exactly you can do. So now we have watched this coin according to we have watched this coin to our own taste. So we want to dive into this coin now to trade this particular coin. So we now navigate ourselves straight to buy sessions. Now here we are on the buy session. Here we are on the buy session. You can see the current price of the coin really reading here. You can see here, most of the times you can see it to be limit, but always change it to market price so that your trade can be executed instantly. Okay, that is what I mean, is that you may come to this place, most of the times you will see limit here, because once there is limit here, your trade cannot be executed immediately. But if you put it on market price, it will be executed based on the market price. Those are that one will have a little effect on buying high price, on buying above what you actually see. So coming to these buy sessions, you can see that I have roughly 36 USDT to purchase this particular coin with. So here we are. I have roughly 36 USD, roughly 37 USD to purchase this particular coins with. So all I just need to do now is to come to this place to impute the volume of the USDT I want to use to buy 36.9, or I will come to this place, or I will still come to this place to drag from here to this place in order for me to purchase with the whole coin. So that's what I will just do. I'll simply drag to this place in order for me to purchase with the whole coin. Alright, so after doing that, having done all of this, you come to this place in order for you to click on buy. If you click on buy, it will take you to the next interface, whereby it will show you everything you're trying to do, in the sense that it will show you the order price you using the market, to show you the order value, which is 36 point everything, which is everything about the USD. Then come to this place to click on proceed to buy K coin. Now you have proceeded to purchase a K coin. Okay, you have purchased a K coin. Now navigate yourself back to this cell to see the quantity that we have in now. Though I have some before. You can see now that I have 990. I have over 900 and. Okay, I have some. Let me see. So now you can see that I have over 9 million and some thousand of this particular coin. So I have over 9 million of this particular coin. So imagine this particular coin now rate to 1 USDT. What am I going to make? I'm going to make a very serious profit. All right, I'm going to make a very serious profit should this take such move. Okay, so this brings me to the end of this particular class. If there's any video you want me to make, drop it at the comment sections. If there's any question you want to ask, drop it at the comment sections as well, so that I can attend to you ASAP. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.